Welcome to our channel. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of connecting your TV to 9Now using an activation code. Just follow the simple instructions below to enjoy your favorite shows and movies hassle-free. Step 1. Open the 9Now app on your TV. Begin by launching the 9Now app on your smart TV. If you haven't installed the app yet, download it from your TV's app store and open it. Step 2. Sign in or create an account. Upon opening the app, you will see an option to sign in. If you already have a 9Now account, enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, select the option to create one and follow the prompts. Step 3. Locate the activation code. After signing in, a unique activation code will be displayed on your TV screen. Write this code down as you will need it in the next step. Step 4. Visit the 9Now activation page. Take a device like your smartphone or computer and go to the 9Now activation page at www.9now.com.au. Activate. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Step 5. Enter the activation code. On the activation page, you will see a field where you can enter your activation code. Input the code carefully and click on the Continue button. Step 6. Confirm your connection. If you entered the activation code correctly, a message will appear confirming that your TV is now connected to your 9Now account. Step 7. Start streaming. Return to your TV and you should have access to all the content available on 9Now. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.